Hey guys, well, I missed the very beginning of the Fortification Frenzy event. Got quite a bit of wood and meat stolen, but that's okay, I guess that's how it goes. Anyway, what I was going to say is I'm going to start the event first by doing a chest opening to see as to the contents if there's anything good, so let's take a look. Okay, that's not too bad for bronze chests. Alright, more wintertide sigils, more wintertide sigils. They add up, guys. Small lumber pack. Good amount of speed ups. Okay. Alright, another lumber pack. That's nice. Okay, more wintertide sigils. Another lumber pack. Let's see how the gold does. Okay, not particularly great lumber packs, but a decent amount of wintertide sigils. I could do another chest opening, but I think maybe if I do some of the event, I might do another set of 10 chests just to have some kind of a statistic. But for now, I think you have some idea of what's in there. I didn't do the silvers, maybe if I win any along the way I have to see. But if you like our vids, show love, do sub, give us a thumbs up, and as I always say, fly in peace and blow to pieces. Have a good